Welcome friends to our fifth video grooming session for stock market beginners, right? In our last video we learned about what is stock market, what is equity market and how to invest in stock market, right? And what is securities. So best investing approach to stock market are fundamental analysis and technical analysis. After that we learn about what is fundamental analysis and what is EMH, efficient market hypothesis. Now we are going to learn how to read balance sheet and income statement. Why? Because in fundamental analysis, account statements is basic language of business and you know how to read it. So let's start friends. So financial statements are interpret how to read financial statements. So we are going to read how to financial statements. So income statement, we'll start with income statement. So purpose of income statement is shows the company's financial performance over a period, quarterly and yearly. So income statement release is per every quarter and yearly, right? So companies see their product and services and generated income from that, pay all expenses from the generated income, right? So friends, whatever the company it sells is product or services, right? And every quarterly they issue how much they have earned by selling their products and services, right? So we also called it income statement. Why? Because company is earning income from that. We sell something and get revenue, right? Whenever company is selling something, it will create revenue. In revenue, after generating revenue, company pay all taxes, company pay depreciation cost, company pay their loans, and whatever the remaining amount it will call profit, right? And from in profit company pay, from profit company will pay taxes, and whatever amount will be remain called net profit. Very simple. So you can see here the first company had created revenue and then cost of goods sold, operating expense, non-operating asset, taxes, and after that the remaining would be net income. Very simple. So this was company's financial statement or income statement, right? So now let's understand balance sheet, right? So what is balance sheet, friends? Imagine as a company as a photograph take a specific moment. So the balance sheet captures the exact image showing what company owns and what company owes, right? What is company owns called asset and what company owes called liabilities. Very simple. Asset is equal to liabilities plus shareholders equity, and we can also say that asset is equity minus debt. So how to read balance sheet, right? So there are some simple terms here explaining about balance sheets. So there are fixed asset. The company has a fixed asset like property, plant and all that. So in the box of fixed asset, we can see how much company's assets are fixed. Then current asset. What are the current asset? Those assets company generate cash from that in 1 year period. What is long-term liabilities, friend? The company had taken so many loans or whatever the debt company need to pay for a long term, it is called long-term liabilities. What is short-term liabilities? So company's loan installment and expenses, rent and utilities are short-term liabilities. And what are the shareholders equity? So shareholders equity is net worth. Shareholders equity is equal to our investment, our equity plus reserve surplus, right friends? So in next video we are going to learn about financial statements and how to invest in stocks by using more financial figures and ratios. Till then, bye and Jai Hind.